In our last video, we discussed some of the basics of pet nutrition, including age-specific diets, targeted diets, and dry versus wet foods. If you have yet to see part 1, we encourage you to click the link in the description box below to watch it first and gain invaluable information. In part 2 of our nutrition video, we'll help you better understand more nutrition-related information, including how to switch your pet's diet, feeding guides, and the importance of proper food storage. As always, for the best advice on your pet's diet and overall health, speak with your veterinarian. If you need to switch your pet's food, it's important that you gradually transition their meals. To do this, gradually incorporate your pet's new food into their current diet. You can do this over the course of 1 to 2 weeks, progressively increasing the amount of the new food while reducing the current diet until they're eating the new diet exclusively. By mixing the foods and slowly transitioning your pet, you'll prevent them from developing stomach issues and allow them to adjust to the taste and smell of the new formula. To ensure that your pet maintains a healthy weight, it's important that they receive the appropriate amount of food. All pet food packaging includes feeding guides that help you determine the approximate amount of food to give to your pet. Feeding guides typically outline portion ranges that are ideal for specific body weights, and while they can be helpful, it's important to remember that it's only a guide and that it's not specific instructions for your individual pet. Since nutritional requirements vary greatly between breed, age, and activity level, it's always important that you speak to your veterinarian to ensure that your pet is receiving the proper nutrition to support their body, regardless of the type of food that they're receiving. Just like human food, pet food has a specific shelf life and can spoil. To ensure that your pet is eating the freshest food, make sure to check the expiry date and dispose of anything that's past the specified date. Your pet's food label should also specify how it should be stored. Most pet food is best kept in a cool, dark, and dry place, such as in a cabinet or a cold cellar. Kibble stays freshest when kept in an airtight container or in its original packaging if it's resealable. If your pet is on a wet food diet but doesn't require a full can at mealtime, you can purchase silicone can lids to cover the can after it's opened, and then you can store it in the fridge for 5 to 7 days, unless a specific date is specified on the product's packaging. There are many factors to include when determining your pet's diet. If you're having trouble understanding what or how much you should be feeding your pet, speak to your veterinarian. They can help you to ensure your pet receives the proper nutrients, suitable calories, and appropriate diet for their needs.